It's empty faith. We should do what we must do to accomplish this. Among them is unity. Stick together. You are each other's energy. You are each other's resource. Once divided, you're going to be weakened. And that's where our enemy wants us. We are going. General Museveni tried so much to discourage us from a nation. That's why they did what they did in Moro. They did what they did in Kayunga. And they were trying to do the same here in Kawempe. And we told our people, because we announced the protest vote Kutandikira Kawempe. Era twagendanga tugenze nalo. Because we know that if Museveni succeeded in doing his nonsense in Kawempe, it would deflate our people. Twabagamba tugenze mu kalulu kwekalakasa. We invited the population. Any of you who doubted, now you know what people can do, even when they are unarmed. They brought down, they abducted people, they beat people, mayors, MPs, tortured them. But we defeated them. That was here in a small constituency in Kawempe, near the headquarters of the military. It was a small constituency. They concentrated all their lethal forces in Kawempe. We beat them. Now imagine when their forces are scattered all over Uganda. You know, bebaine Kawempe bagenda bawula bagende gusoka bagende jinja bagende toro bagende wa tujja bawanga. So friends, go and make plans. I like what my comrade the foot soldier said. Batandika do kuzimbe gali. Muzimbe gali nali serious. Build teams, not teams of criminals. No, build teams. Teams of resistance. People that you can speak to. And it should not be public. Which call it privately. So that we are ready when the time comes. We are 49 million Ugandans. According to the IGG Betikami, the people that are oppressing us are 30,000. Emitwale satu. Emitwale satu. Bonabona bakwesa 350 people. 350,000 people. That is the cabal. Bantumba satu wetanga. Then aba bossi babu, but only 10% of that. That is mitwalo esatu next year. Are you telling me that we, the 49 million Ugandans, cannot overwhelm those people and swallow them? We can. That is what we should plan to do. That is what we should do. And we can, because it is one day. Because those are going to be us. But plan. Build teams. It's not illegal. It is perfectly legal. Everything that happened in Kawempe has been recorded. Please go and study the Kawempe by-election. We want every constituency to be like Kawempe. 7 years to government. We need to plan that, ladies and gentlemen. Another thing that I want to encourage you is, and somebody talked about the message that we send out there. I cannot speak to every Ugandan. SG or all these other leaders cannot. But I'm sure the same way we fought HIV/AIDS, the same way we fight all these other, pandemics and challenges that we face, is the same way that we can fight bad governance. People want change. But we need to paint a clear picture of a Uganda where we are taking them. Yes, they love us. Yes, they are young people like us. But there are doubts. And the regime which owns all communication centers, radio stations and TVs, they make sure they blackmail us. They make sure they send the wrongest message of us. If they don't say we are paid or hired by whites to recolonize Uganda, they say we are sponsored by homosexuals. If they don't do that, they'll say we want to burn down Uganda. We want to destroy Uganda. I want you to make sure Uganda is only for Uganda and all the nonsense that they come with. You can help us communicate our dreams because you know exactly what we believe in. You can best communicate to people in a language they can understand and very simplified. The document that was presented is just more than adequate. Please break it down for our people. Bamanye kye tugenda ko bamanye nti mission eno yaabwe bonna. Omukyalo omwami ali mu faamu ye ya kokoa amanye nti nze kati bino si lwanirira lukongoya oba Bobi wine oba lwa muwumbu owega naye nwanirira kokoa wange ono singa Museveni avaako nja kufunamu times 10 because it is possible. Let them know because this is not rocket science. These are things that have been there before. The railway has been there before. People have flown from Kampala to Toro in planes before, 30 years ago, before we are born. These things have been there. Hospitals have ever been free. Schools have ever been free. When I was in P1 and P2 and P3, we used to get free books.